सावधान सिद्ध ब्रह्मनाथ। शांति शांति शांति।
Students, good morning and welcome back to my class. Okay, in last class I had discussed that what are the difference between partnership and sole trade business. Okay, so the partnership chapter has been already completed. Okay, the discussion related to partnership, what is the meaning of partnership, features, advantage, disadvantage and types of partners, then types of partnership business, then rights and duties of a partner, then the difference between partnership and sole trade business. So the topic partnership has been covered. And today I am going to dictate some MCQ questions or some 1 mark questions. Okay, right? Give heading multiple choice questions. Okay, first question. The maximum membership for a partnership, bracket में non banking bracket close is maximum membership for a partnership bracket में non banking bracket close is first option, that is option A 10, option B 50, option C 30, option D unlimited. Option A 10, option B 50, option C 30 and option D unlimited. Okay, second question. Partnership Act was passed in the year PASSED, passed in the year. First option, that is option A 1931, option B 1932, option C 1956, option D none of this. THESC, none of this. Okay, so next question, that is question number 3. In the absence of partnership deed, a partner gets, in the absence of a partnership deed, a partner gets interest on loan at option A 6% per annum, option A 6% per annum, option B 9% per annum, option C 12% per annum, option D all of the above. Okay, next question, that is question number 4. Right? Question number 4. In case of limited liability partnership, the minimum number of partners with unlimited liability is first option 1, that is option A 1, option B 2, option C 3 and option 4 none of the above. Okay, next question. A partnership is considered considered as illegal as illegal if first option its purpose is that is option A, its purpose is unlawful unlawful. Second option, that is option number B, it is against public policy. Third option, its membership exceeds the maximum limit. Fourth option, all of the above. Next question. Which is true in respect of a nominal partner. Okay, nominal partner. First option, that is option A, does not contribute capital. DOES, does not contribute capital. CONTRIBUTE, does not contribute capital. Second option, that is option number B, doesn't say profit or loss. Third option, is not known to outsider. Fourth option, all of the above. Next question. Which of the following is not the duty of a partner? Which of the following is not the duty of a partner? Okay, option A, to act beyond authority, act beyond, BEYOND, beyond authority. Second option, not to make secret profit. Third option, that is option C, to be just and faithful. Fourth option, to render the accounts. RENDER, render means provide, to render the accounts. Next question. Which of the following is not an advantages of partnership? Which of the following is not an advantages of partnership? Okay, write the options. First option, that is option A, close supervision. Option B, unlimited liability. Option C, diffusion of risk. DIFFUSION, diffusion means sharing of risk. Fourth option, better management. Okay, better management. Next question. A partnership business can be dissolved. Can be dissolved. DISSOLVED, dissolved. First First option by agreement. First option by agreement. Second option by notice. Third option by the order of court. Fourth option all of the above. First option by agreement. Second option by notice. Third option by the order of the court. Fourth option all of the above. Next question. When the business of a firm, FIRM, is declared illegal, comma, its dissolution, dissolution will occur, First option by notice. Second option by agreement. Third option compulsory. Fourth option none of the above. Next, write some fill in the blanks. Okay, give heading, fill in the blanks. Okay, question number 1. The maximum membership in a partnership banking business is dash. The maximum membership in a partnership banking business is dash. Okay, second question. In partnership, the liability of partner is dash. The liability of partner is dash. Next, third number, dash relationship exists between partners. Dash relationship exists between the partners. Next, question number 4. The prime document in partnership is dash. The prime document in partnership is dash. Okay? Next question, that is question number 5. A partnership terminable, terminable, terminable at the will of any partner, at the will of any partner is termed as dash. Next question. Nominal partner is otherwise known as dash partner. Nominal partner is otherwise known as dash partner. Next question. When a minor is admitted to the benefit of partnership, his liability will be okay, his liability will be dash. Next question. A person, not being BEING, not being partner, behaves himself, behaves himself as a partner of a particular firm is called dash. Okay, next question. A partner has the right to be. A partner has the right to be dash for the liability. He business. Okay, so next question. When a partnership form works in accordance with the provisions of Partnership Act, it is termed as dash. Okay, these are the some 1 mark with objective types questions. Okay, you should write the answers. Okay, so this is today's class.